Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we are honored to present our high-precision automatic microchannel CNC bending machine, specifically the Model 1500, which is designed to meet the diverse bending needs of microchannel products in various industries. First of all, let's focus on its core parameters. The maximum bending width of this machine reaches 1,500 mm, allowing it to handle large-size microchannel workpieces with ease, which is a great advantage for mass production and large-scale processing. Equipped with a standard R70 bending die, this machine ensures stable and consistent bending quality, delivering smooth and precise bending angles without damaging the microchannel structure. What's more, the die is detachable and replaceable, enabling flexible adjustment of the bending radius according to your specific production requirements, making it highly adaptable to different product designs.